Welcome to Tsem Rinpoche's indoor Relic Stupa. This holy stupa was completed on August 31st, 2020, just in time for His Eminence Tsem Rinpoche's first parinirvana anniversary. It is the first milestone or first phase of the Tsem Rinpoche Relic Stupa project. Phase 2, which is ongoing, is the Tsem Rinpoche Relic Temple, Temple of Great Merits. To many of us, students and followers of Tsem Rinpoche in Malaysia and around the world, this stupa is very precious and dear because it signifies the everlasting presence of our Lama. And more importantly, this stupa will stand as a reminder of the great works of Rinpoche. Also, in Tibetan tradition, it is key in creating the causes for Rinpoche's next incarnation to return swiftly to us here in Kechara Forest Retreat, to live long and continue turning the wheel of Dharma. Much care and details were put into the design, materials, and craftsmanship. Because of the spiritual significance, we wanted the stupa to be completely traditional, authentic, precise, yet with the contemporary grandeur befitting of our beloved teacher. The choice of artists was nothing short of the best. We worked with a well-known stupa maker from Shangri-La in Yunnan to craft the stupa by hand based on our designs, which were inspired by antique stupas from the 18th century. Before I tell you what were inserted into this holy stupa, I will explain the benefits and significance of relics. To the untrained and uninformed, they may see this merely as bones. This is so very misguided. It is told in Buddhist texts and by many esteemed Buddhist masters that the remains of Buddhas have the tremendous blessings for our body, speech, and mind. This is because of the power of realization and compassion attained by these enlightened beings. Anyone who sees, hears of, touches, or even thinks of these relics will receive the blessings. Inside this auspicious 8-foot victory stupa, we have inserted Tsem Rinpoche's white relics, holy bones and ashes, and his holy robes. In addition, there are Buddha statues, well vases, traditional healing herbs, medicinal incense, holy pills, mantras, and many other sacred items, filling it completely without any gaps. You cannot imagine how truly blessed I feel just standing here next to the stupa and talking to you. There is one other item which draws my attention that I want to share. The insertion of the life stick, which is a single piece of rare white sandalwood with handwritten mantras on it. Together with the blessings of Rinpoche's relics, there is an immense ocean of blessings for our body, mind, and spirit right here. 2020 was an unprecedented year when we were globally affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. Needless to say, this created many challenges which we managed to surmount with much gratitude to the High Lamas and other members of Sangha, whom we could reach out to for advice and guidance on the stupa. Our dedicated volunteers continued to give their time and efforts to completing this indoor stupa from wherever they were. Last but not least, we sincerely thank our sponsors who have given generously and unconditionally. Tsem Rinpoche touched millions of lives around the world by his skillful and unconventional ways of teaching the Dharma. His love and care with open arms, lifting us from the doldrums of samsara. Like all of you, I miss Rinpoche dearly, and I look forward to his incarnation desperately. The opportunity to find holy relics and to enshrine them is not common. This then makes the opportunity to collect merits, to receive blessings even more rare. We at Kechara recognize this, and we invite you to come visit, pay respects to Rinpoche's holy stupa, receive his blessings and protection, and gain merits simply by being a part of Tsem Rinpoche Relic Temple, the Temple of Great Merits.